Welcome Beautyistic, where beauty is more than just skin deep. Today, we're talking about something that's a game changer in the world of hair care tools, especially if you're someone who's been struggling with tangled hair. It's not a product. It's not a product that will necessarily grab attention for its flashy packaging or Instagrammable looks, but it's one of those tools that makes a world of difference when it comes to the health of your hair. The Ionic Universal Comb Attachment. Now, comb attachments may sound like a simple thing, but when you start to dig into how well a product performs, it's the small details that truly matter. This Ionic attachment is designed to fit onto your favorite blow dryer, but not just for the sake of attaching something to it. It serves a more specific purpose: detangling. If you're someone with thick or unruly hair, you know how vital it is to find products that work to minimize frizz and breakage while giving you that smooth, manageable texture we all dream of. The Ionic Universal Comb Attachment features an oblong design in sleek black, crafted from durable plastic. It's easy to use. Simply slide it onto your blow dryer, and you're ready to go. It's engineered for detangling, which makes it a must-have for anyone trying to avoid that awkward, painful tugging that sometimes comes with brushing through wet hair. Plus, it helps distribute heat evenly, which means no more spots of heat damage from a dryer that's too focused in one area. Now, I've had the chance to test this attachment during my own daily blow drying routine. I paired it with my usual hair dryer, and I have to say, it's one of those tools you don't realize you need until you try it. My hair has always been on the thicker side, and sometimes detangling can be a struggle, especially when it's wet. I noticed a significant difference in how smoothly the comb glided through my strands. The detangling action was almost effortless, and the comb didn't snag or pull on my hair, which I really appreciated. Let's talk about performance. This attachment really does what it says on the box. It effortlessly detangles while you're drying, which means less time spent brushing afterward. The comb attachment is sturdy, and the teeth are spaced in a way that helps smooth out tangles without pulling or causing breakage. It's definitely a step up from the regular combs I've used in the past, and I'd say it really excels when you're trying to minimize frizz and reduce hair damage, two things we all need in our routines, right? However, one thing I will point out is that this attachment may not be a perfect fit for every blow dryer. While it's a universal design, there could be some blow dryers where it doesn't attach as seamlessly as you'd expect. So it's worth double-checking compatibility before making a purchase. The design is clean and minimal, and the plastic is lightweight yet durable. No complaints on the build quality here. It feels sturdy enough to last through plenty of use, and I haven't experienced any cracks or signs of wear so far, which is great for something that you'll be attaching and detaching regularly. As for value for money, the Ionic Universal Comb Attachment is priced at a point that feels fair for the quality it delivers. While it's not the cheapest option out there, considering how well it performs in detangling and heat distribution, I'd say it's worth the investment, especially for those with medium to thick hair. If you've been relying on cheaper alternatives that haven't really delivered, this might be the game changer you've been looking for. Now, let's talk about a few alternatives. There are other detangling comb attachments available on the market at lower price points, but they often lack the durability or performance that the Ionic offers. If you're on a budget, something like a simple detangling comb might work for a while, but if you're ready to step up your hair care game, the Ionic comb attachment is definitely worth considering. In terms of longevity, this attachment holds up well. I haven't noticed any performance decline, and it still works just as well as when I first started using it. Plus, the build quality means I don't have to worry about it breaking down after just a few months of use. As for customer support, I haven't needed to reach out yet, but Ionic is known for offering solid customer service, and if you run into any issues, it seems they're responsive and helpful. So, does it live up to its claims? Absolutely. It's a reliable detangling tool that really delivers on making your blow drying routine smoother and less stressful. If you have thick or long hair, this attachment could be a total game changer. It'll save you time, reduce breakage, and help keep your hair looking healthier. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used the Ionic Universal Comb attachment, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.